my anti-aging skincare routine for nighttime. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, the lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you click the red subscribe button and then click the little gray bell, you'll get notified every time there's a new video, and all the videos apply to you. The skincare routine we use at night can rejuvenate and repair our skin while we're sleeping. In this video, I'll tell you what I'm using today. I start with an oil-based cleanser. Right now, I'm using the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, the Skin Therapy Cleansing Oil. I use wet hands, put about a pump or two in my hands and go like this with my hands and put it all over my face and then rub it in, and then last, while the water's running in the sink, I rub my eyes and then I rinse it off. Now that's not enough for me. I do a double cleanse. So I use my trusty Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser, one pump, especially use that on my eyes. This is great for getting eye makeup off and anything that still feels like maybe some of that oil cleanser is still there. Next, I use micellar water. I love this stuff. Now, I started off using the Garnier, and then I found that CVS has their own brand. I use this on a cotton pad, just a few drops. It's great for taking it right into the hairline for, the regular cleansers just don't get that out. I take that all over the hairline, get all the makeup, blush and whatever else, bronzer that I got right up to the edge during the day. And just any other residue that's left over comes right off with the micellar water. Now I have two products that I use alternatingly. I use each of them 3 nights a week, and then I take a break from them on Sunday. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I use Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA gel. Now I've tried the BHA cream or lotion. I didn't like it as well as I liked the gel. They got me going on this years ago when the alpha hydroxy just didn't really do anything for me. I have a little bit of rosacea on my cheeks, and this is just fantastic. 3 nights a week at this time. It comes in a pump bottle. I just use one pump on my fingers. I spread it around my fingers, and then I put it all over my face and neck. Now, the other nights, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I'm using a retinol, and right now I'm using, it's a 2-punch pack. I'm using the Rock, this is the Retinol Correction Max, and this is a white cream, and then it follows up with the Wrinkle Resurfacing System Serum. This doesn't come out like a serum, it comes out more like a gel-based cream. It's kind of a gray color, and I put that right on top, and these two together just help to fight fine lines. And I think when I started using it, I used it 1 night a week for month number 1, 2 nights a week for month number 2, and 3 nights a week for month number 3. I've experimented with different things with my skin. 3 nights a week seems to be really good for me, so it's great that I can alternate this with the beta hydroxy. Next are 2 of my favorites, serums, and I always use 2 serums. The game changer for me has been vitamin C serum. I either buy it from Timeless, like this bottle is from, or I make my own, and I did do a video about how to make my own DIY that I'll link probably in a card in this video in the upper right hand corner. But this one, it's just been a game changer. It's made my skin more smooth, more luminous, and I use about 4 drops in my hand and in the palm of my hand, but I also use a second serum, also from Timeless, and I change up what I'm using. Usually I'm buying one of their Matrixyl serums. This time I actually went to their Pure line and bought the hyaluronic acid, which is great for helping skin retain moisture. Whatever second serum I'm using, I just use 2 drops. So I've got my 4 drops of vitamin C serum, my 2 drops of the other. I mix them together with 2 or 3 fingers, and then I put it all over my face except for my eyelids. I do go a little bit below the eyebrow, but all over my face, and whatever's left in this left hand, I put down my neck and those are my serums. Timeless does offer a discount for my viewers, so if you click in the description box, you'll also see where you can get a discount on your purchase of Timeless. For my next product, it's something I'm experimenting with. This is the Paula's Choice Resist. I want to get this Resist Vitamin C Spot Treatment. Now this in particular is for dark spots, red spots, and other imperfections. I do have freckles and some other imperfections, so I'm just using it as a tiny little spot treatment on some freckles on the upper part of my face, and I'm using it on the right side of my nose just to experiment, and on my chin. Now other people in the reviews have said that it takes a while. It takes 4 to 6 months to notice any difference, and some of them are doing it for freckles, some of them are doing it for scarring, for issues from when they were a teenager and in their 20s and had scarring from acne. This is the smallest it comes in. This is more of the travel size, but I just use a tiny little amount. Like I said, it's spot treatment. It's not meant to be spread around the face. So hopefully I'll be reporting back in several months what I thought of this product. Now I rarely use a separate eye cream just because eye creams I've tried over the years have not improved my skin at all, and to me it's just a waste of money. So I am using one up right now from Nudu, which is a company whose products I reviewed some time ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. I just had a little bit left in the pump bottle and I scraped it out with a little lotion bottle scraper, and I put it in a little container like this, so I am going to use it up, but I will not be repurchasing when I'm done. Now for moisturizers, I usually use either Paula's Choice Skin Recovery Replenishing Moisturizer, or I use the CeraVe PM Moisturizer. I'm out of both of those now. So one of the products I've been experimenting with, and that is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Exfoliating Moisturizer. Now, I was using it on my face. I wasn't seeing a whole lot of change. I bought it at Sephora, which has a 60-day return policy. And by the time I reached 60 days, I still was undecided. Then I thought, you know, I'm just going to use it on my chin. So I used it on my chin for a while, and then I was getting little breakouts, which is not a good sign. So now I'm just using it on my neck, and it seems to be okay, but it's awfully pricey for something that's maybe not working for me. It might be that those of you for whom alpha hydroxys work well, this might work really well for you. So for me, it's kind of a loss. So like I said, I'm just using it on my neck. And right now on my face, what I'm using is the Soap & Glory Beauty Sleep Accelerator Night and Flight Moisture Miracle. Well, I'm not so sure it's a miracle, but it's affordable. It is scented, but the scent does dissipate, and it is very moisturizing on the skin. At this point in my nighttime routine, I apply Care Pros to my lashes to make them longer and thicker, and it does work. I had gone from using it every night to using it 3 nights a week, and I wasn't getting as much of a great effect, so I went back to using it every night, just a tiny little drop on a brush on my lashes. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it at the end of this video. I'll also link it in the description box below, along with all these products, of course. And I'll also put it in as a card. This thing has been a game changer for me for my lashes. It's wonderful. Last, I use the Nivea Moisture Lip Care on my lips. I love this thing. I buy them whenever I can find them because sometimes stores don't carry them. It's unscented. It feels great on my lips overnight. And yeah, I just love this product. So make sure that you check out my daytime anti-aging skincare routine by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.